Guys, I just want to come in here real quick to show y'all the color that I did in my hair. So I wanted to do it like just like a tint on my hair, like a red tint. So I got the Clairol Jazzing, I don't know, but the black cherry. But I didn't want it too bright, I guess, too much of a tint, so I mixed it in with a black. Yeah, so it just looks straight black. I prefer a black color because it makes my hair look healthier. But the only parts that you can tell that there's even a hint of red are my gray hairs. That's the only part, sorry, my arm is hurting, that you can tell that there's actually red in my hair. So this is 2 days after I did that, right? I dyed it on Friday, I think. Yeah, I think I dyed it on Friday. And, like right after I dyed, I went ahead and just did some twist in my hair. And, which probably wasn't a smart thing to do, because, my fingers were like all kinds of like black and red. And it was horrible. But, yeah, so this is it. Tomorrow I'll probably retwist it. Just, moisturize it and retwist it or something. So yeah, that's my hair. Let's see, I'll turn on this flash and see if y'all can see it better. I don't know. Yes, tell that it's black. So yeah, I guess you can just compare it to the last, video. I never do anything big. It's just a semi-permanent. Okay, this flash is hurting my eyes. Okay, so yeah. I always do a black semi-permanent. It seems the simplest, and when the color starts to fade, you can't really tell too bad. But if I were to dye my hair permanent, it would more than likely be a black. But that won't happen anytime soon. I'm going to just let my hair grow and keep doing the semi-permanent black in my hair. And that is about it, I guess. So I will talk to you good people later. And also, I won't talk to you people later, or I will, but I'm not going to end the video yet. I have like a couple videos that I've recorded and I just haven't had the chance to edit them. So please stay tuned for that. One is actually a Haitian cuisine video, and one is a thank you video, so kinda. Yeah. So anyways, alright, I'm gonna end it. And I will talk to you people later.